Robomotion RPA. Automate repetitive and data-intensive manual tasks with easy-to-use RPA bots. Ever wish you could just create a robot for all your boring, repetitive work tasks, like collecting data, entering info, or telling Dave from sales to turn his polka music down? Bots can automate repeatable business processes, but they're either too expensive, too complicated, or both, and you're still on your own with Dave. Sorry. You're looking for intuitive and accessible robotic process automation, RPA, bots to rescue you from your dry, error-prone manual tasks. Introducing Robomotion. A brief summary. Automate web or desktop applications that don't have an API with cross-platform robots that work on Mac, Linux, and Windows. Set up RPAs super quickly with an easy-to-understand interface. Alternative to UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Blue Prism. Best for startups and SMEs with daily, manual tasks that they want to automate without any hassle. Robomotion is a robotic process automation tool that can automate web and desktop applications to streamline your workflow. While many cloud automation tools only work with applications that have an API, Robomotion can automate custom web or desktop applications. Available for Mac, Linux, and Windows, Robomotion robots can log into a custom web portal, navigate through menus, export data to process, and email a report. Get started quickly with an automation template for everything from sending birthday messages in a Slack channel to scraping stock price information and compiling it in Excel. Choose one of the ready-to-use automation templates to get started automating your repetitive tasks. Robomotion also lets you run multiple tasks within one automation project. That's what makes it possible to use Robomotion for scraping tasks. And it's a cinch to schedule your RPA bot based on minutes, hours, days, or weeks. All you have to do is enable scheduling on your RPA bot using the cloud-based admin, then you're ready to manage schedules with a few clicks. Quickly schedule your RPA bots by minutes, hours, days, or weeks. The bots stay idle while polling or waiting for a trigger like file system, HTTP, email, schedule, or queue, so you won't have to constantly re-enter parameters or check in on the little guys. Plus, you can use Robomotion to trigger automations by scheduler, email, file system, or even web service. The best part? You'll be able to set unlimited triggers to a bot by adding the trigger type and parameters. Make unlimited triggers for bots and set up automatic triggers by scheduler, email, file system, or web service. Keep your credentials safe in Robomotion vaults, where only you can decrypt your vault items. Robomotion doesn't store the vault keys in its servers, so your information stays private. Plus, you can manage everything from one convenient admin console, like robots, triggers, schedulers, users, queues, jobs, and more. Manage your flows, robots, triggers, schedules, and more from a single admin console. The manual, repetitive tasks you need to do may be important, but you don't have to like them. See also, filing taxes and going to the dentist. Robomotion is here to help you harness the power of RPA bots to automate your business processes and boost team efficiency. Let bots handle the boring stuff. Get lifetime access to Robomotion today.